Laboratory of Animal Physiology. Laboratory of Animal Physiology is one of research laboratory at biology study program. Experiment using experimental animals are carried out in this laboratory to determine the metabolism and tissue structure of animal. Various natural ingredients are applied in order to see the reaction in the animal's body. This laboratory is supported by several tools such as microscope, blood analyzer, incubator, centrifuge, and the other general tools. Experimental animal cage. Experimental animal cage is a supporting facility for the animal physiology laboratory in maintaining experimental animals. In this laboratory, many experiments have been conducted, including animal model of diabetes, typhus, cancer, free radical, and so on. Laboratory of Animal Cell Culture. Laboratory of Animal Cell Culture is used both for student and lecture research in animal biotechnology. This laboratory consists of preparing room, culture room, and analysis room. This laboratory is supported by several tools for animal cell culture. The research currently being conducted in this laboratory are pancreatic cell culture and sheep endometrium cell culture. Laboratory of Plant Tissue Culture. Plant Tissue Culture Laboratory Biology Study Program has 3 rooms, consists of preparing rooms, planting rooms, incubating rooms. This laboratory is used for student and lecture research activity in the field of plant biology in order to produce superior varieties and varieties that are capable of producing optimum secondary metabolites. The species currently being developed in this laboratory are porang, Amorphophallus mulleri, and pomegranate, Punica gravitum. Laboratory of Genetic Molecular. Laboratory of Genetic Molecular consists 3 parts of room. First part is general room for the general activity of genetic and molecular research. Second part is the analysis room, and the last part is the laboratory head room. Laboratory of Genetic and Molecular Biology used for DNA, RNA, and protein analysis. It also used to conduct practical for advanced course related with the genetic and molecular. Laboratory of Genetic Molecular Biology is supported by several tools such as centrifuge, PCR, RT-PCR, gel documentation, nanodrop, sequencer, laminar airflow, micropipette of various size, incubator, spectrophotometer, and the other general tools. Some of the research being carried out in the laboratory are genetic analysis of banana, genetic analysis of soybean, genetic analysis of kosambi, genetic analysis of some bacteria, and RNA analysis of this lymphedemic rat. Laboratory of Microbiology. The Laboratory of Microbiology is used in research and education in basic microbiology, environment microbiology, application area of health and food microbiology, mycology, and related subjects. Laboratory of Microbiology is supported by human research who have education background of environment microbiology, food microbiology, biotechnology, and mycology. Laboratory of Microbiology is equipped by sophisticated equipment for teaching and learning process and research. These equipment are autoclave, centrifuge, spectrophotometer, and laminar airflow, microscope, microbial propagation room, and etc. Greenhouse. The greenhouse is one of the supporting facility outdoor for practicum and research based on plant cultivation. This supportive facility is located outside of the biology study program building but is still within the scope of an area. Can accommodate up to 40 until 50 students. The greenhouse facility can be accessed on a daily schedule on working hours from 8 a.m. up to 4 p.m. One of the activities that are often carried out in the greenhouse is the cultivation of several local plants from East Java. These and other activities carried out were forming a botanical garden student group that carried out organic vegetable cultivation through hydroponic and aquaponic technique. Aviary. The aviary is another outdoor support facility useful for practical and research activity based on observing birds' activity. This aviary is also located outside of the Magister program building, can accommodate up to 5 until 10 students. This aviary facility can be accessed on daily schedule on working hours from 8 a.m. up to 4 p.m. Aviaries owned by the Magister program are made as closely as possible to their natural habitats in the wild. Through this aviary is often used as a learning medium for students to observe the technique activity of birds that are similar to those in the natural habitats. One of the birds collection contained in aviary is the Cucak Rawa. Laboratory of Ecology and Field Student Activity. The Laboratory of Ecology can support both indoor or outdoor research, including practice study for biodiversity and ecology-based course. The laboratory, which is located in the Department of Biology facility, can accommodate up to 40 until 50 students. The laboratory is well equipped by the latest field research equipment from basic to advanced, which can support exploration, monitoring, as well as environmental study. The laboratory can be accessed on daily schedule on working hours from 8 a.m. up to 4 p.m. Laboratory of Ecology activities mostly conducted in the field. Several locations that have been explored regularly by our team: Baluran National Park, Alas Purwo National Park, Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park, Karimun Jawa National Park, Meru Betiri National Park, Sempo Island Nature Reserve, and several Coban in East Java, Kondang Merah Beach and Forest Area, Ledo Amprong, Metro River, and many of field research sites located in Malang Batu region.
Salam lestari, salam konservasi. We love biology.